With every season change, do you end up with cough and cold? It may feel common, but it's actually affect your whole body more than you think. Cough and cold weaken your immunity, disturb your sleep, drain your energy, and even reduce focus at work or studies. Constant coughing irritates the throat, while congestion makes the breathing harder. That makes you tired and restless. That's why nature healing matters. In homeopathy, these three remedies helps. In homeopathy, medicines like aconite helps with the cold which starts suddenly with the exposure of cold air or cold wind. Another remedy is belladonna, excellent for sore throat with fever and redness. Another is bryonia, works for dry cough with body pain. On the nutrition side, strengthen immunity with vitamin C rich foods like orange, lemon and amla. Also, warm tea with ginger, tulsi and honey calms the throat and speed up recovery. So, do not ignore cough and cold. Heal naturally with right remedies and nutrition. Noted. Always consult a qualified homeopath or a nutritionist. And follow me for more holistic healing tips.